calling all childminders and parents using childminders. Proposals for major changes in the childminding sector will be discussed at childminding consultation workshops, which are taking place across the country. Feedback will be gathered by Childminding Ireland and submitted to the Department of Children and Youth Affairs. Have your say. Check childminding.ie to find your nearest workshop. Book your place with Childminding Ireland on 01 2878 466 or email support@childminding.ie.